Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to use touch sensor controls on your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds. Let's get started. So firstly, let's take a close look at each of earpieces. Here you can see this sensor, which is a controller. Firstly, let's discuss the right earpiece, but I'm just gonna put it in my ear first. So, one tap on the controller will play or pause the music. Let me show you this. Here is how it works. Now, double tap on the controller will switch you to the next song, like this, and triple tap will move you back to the previous track, just like this. And long press will trigger voice assistant, Google or Alexa. Let me show you. Just like this. And now if you tap 4 times on the right controller, it will increase the volume. Let me show you. Great. And now let's discuss the functions of the left controller. I'm just gonna put it in as well. And now one tap on the controller will switch you between noise cancelling or ambient sound modes. For this, I'm gonna open Sony headphones application so you'll see how it will switch. Just go in the sound section and then in ambient sound control. So I'm gonna press once on the controller and it will switch to the ambient sound, like this. Tap again to go in noise cancelling. Great. And now if you tap on this controller 4 times, it will decrease the volume. Let me show you. And here is how it works. Now, if you want to customize these controllers, use this application as well. So go in the system and here you can see the functions for each of the controllers, left and right. You can see what double tap means, what one tap means, triple tap, and so on. You can also scroll down a bit and see the quick access. Just tap the settings icon and here you can set for double tap, for example Spotify tap, and for triple tap Amazon Music Play Now. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.